Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the best products that elevate your style and simplify your routine. Today, we're talking about a must-have accessory for all beauty enthusiasts, the FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror with 72 LED lights. Whether you're perfecting your glam on the go or simply need a reliable vanity companion, this mirror promises to deliver. Let's find out if it truly shines. The FUNTOUCH mirror is packed with thoughtful features. It's USB rechargeable with a built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery, meaning you can skip the hassle of frequent charging or swapping batteries, especially handy for frequent travelers. Its ultra-slim design, about the size of a mini iPad, is lightweight at just 261 grams. This makes it the perfect addition to your carry-on or handbag. The mirror boasts 72 LED lights with 3 adjustable color settings: white, warm, and cool light, all controlled by a sensitive touchscreen that lets you toggle brightness from 100% to 10%. Crafted with premium ABS and glass materials, the mirror offers clear, distortion-free reflections, ensuring flawless makeup application. Using this mirror was an absolute breeze. The setup was non-existent. Just unpack, charge, and you're ready to go. I tested it under various lighting conditions, from dim hotel rooms to bright natural light, and it performed brilliantly. The dimmable lighting provided perfect customization, whether I needed a softer glow for nighttime touch-ups or bright white light for precision during the day. The touch controls were highly responsive, making adjustments smooth and intuitive. Let's talk pros and cons. On the upside, its portability is a game changer. It's lightweight and folds easily, so it takes up minimal space. The 72 LEDs provide ample lighting, and the 3 color modes ensure versatility for any environment. The dimming function is another standout, letting you fine-tune the brightness to your preference. However, one minor downside is that the mirror doesn't include magnification, which could be a deal breaker if you rely on close-up detail for tasks like tweezing or eyeliner precision. Additionally, while the ABS material is durable, it doesn't feel as premium as some metal-cased alternatives. Now, is it worth the price? Considering the quality of the lighting, the rechargeable battery, and its overall functionality, it's definitely a strong contender in its category. Comparable travel mirrors might skimp on features or lack the rechargeable capability, making this one a solid investment for frequent travelers or makeup enthusiasts. For those seeking magnification or a sturdier frame, there are pricier options on the market, but this strikes a great balance between quality and cost. In terms of build quality, the materials are lightweight yet sturdy enough for regular travel. The hinge feels secure, and the LEDs show no signs of dimming after several uses. While long-term durability is yet to be determined, the design feels reliable for its purpose. Customer support wasn't personally tested, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive, so it's worth noting. If you're looking for alternatives, some models offer magnified sections or metal construction, but expect a higher price tag. A budget-friendly option might lack the dimmable lighting or rechargeable feature, so weigh your priorities before deciding. Quick pause. If you're loving this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon to stay in the loop with all our beauty tips and product reviews. Your support means the world to us. To wrap things up, the FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror delivers exceptional portability, fantastic lighting options, and practical design, all at a fair price. While it's not perfect, its strengths outweigh its limitations. Whether you're a jet setter or simply someone who loves perfecting their makeup, this mirror deserves a spot in your beauty arsenal. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you're ready to snag this mirror, check the link in the comments. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep glowing, and remember, beauty is what we make it here at Beautyistic.